This is the Microsoft Excel tutorial on how to look for or find the three highest number or four highest number or four largest number on the Microsoft Excel based on the data that we have. For example, we have students and then some scores from them, and we need to know three highest largest or scores or four largest score that were got by the students. Okay, so we need to know about this, and is using some methods on Microsoft Excel to know some largest number as well as smallest number. So how to do this, and how the distance between, how the gap between each students and etc. So we need to know from the four largest numbers, four largest number of score, and also for smallest scores. Okay, using marks and mean are used on the Microsoft Excel to know the largest number, only one largest number, and also for mean, formula is for only one the smallest number. So, but we need to show until four or three or four scores that we need to know or to appear this by doing some rank from 1 to 3 and 4. And how to do this to find largest or smallest numbers on Microsoft Excel. Okay, you can use the Microsoft Excel tutorial, Microsoft Excel formula by using this. Okay, here we go. Max, okay, and then plug the scores in all of the score cells here, and 98. Okay, that's the rank one. This is the largest score by using max. Okay, but we can use large here, large, and open the bracket and then plug the scores, all of the scores cells, and do not forget to press F4 to lock the table blocked, and then comma, and we need to input 1. It means that the rank 1 or the largest score cut by the students from this table from scores. Okay, this is from 98 as the first rank here. Okay, and okay, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, but the formula is same, but we need to know to update this or to change this. Rank 2, rank 3, or the third rank, and we need to change here rank 4. Okay, this is how to know how the scores here on the Microsoft Excel from the largest scores, from 4 largest scores from rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, and 4. Okay, from the rank here we need to know the largest score that that student have. Okay, that's how to decide or determine this value of scores. Okay, but after this we need to know how to find the smallest score, the smallest number from the scores that students get. Okay, with the similar formula, but we need to change from the large and the small. Equal to sign and then small, and then open the bracket and plug all the score cells, score that we want to find, and do not forget to press F4 to lock the data, and then comma 1. We need to find the first smallest, and then the rank 2 smallest score. Okay, just changing this formula, and then it's from 3. What's the third rank? Okay, this is from third rank, and the fourth rank. Okay, it's too simple, I think, to know about it. And how about this name columns? We need to know who's get these scores from the highest and the small. And how to know about this name? Okay, we can use the formula of index match or VLOOKUP, because the table is from vertical table, and we need to look for from the index formula, index, and then open the brackets, and then block all of the tables cells from this value, and then do not forget to press F4 to lock the blocked table or cells, and then comma and match, and open the brackets again, F2 cells here. Okay, this is from F2, and then plug the number that from table array, lookup array. It means the scores that you need to input from this, the table that we want to look for. Okay, the column that we want to find. Then comma and then null, and then close the bracket. Okay, sorry, this must be all. We need to check it. Okay. Okay, it's still wrong. Okay. Okay. Oh, we need to input the lookup value here. It's from F2 and then comma and then lookup array and 1 and no or 0, and we try to install this if the result is correct or not. Okay. Okay, I'll change this. Okay, 1. Okay, that's the formula here. Okay, 98 has the score, 91 is Devi scores, 84 is Puri scores, and 79 is Jeanette score. And then this is from lookup values should be changed here because it's not from F2. This is from the no, it's not from the largest score, but we need to know from the smallest score. Okay. Okay, press enter and then just arrange this and double click again to copy the formula automatically. Okay, that's the story on how to know for lot score. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon. Bye bye.